Welcome to our guide on PayPal error 1001. PayPal error code 1001 signals a general internal problem. It means something went wrong on PayPal's end during your transaction or request. This video explains the common causes of this error and provides troubleshooting steps to resolve it, updated for 2026. The simplest first step for resolving PayPal error 1001 is to wait 15 to 30 minutes and try the transaction again. Often, the issue resolves itself as PayPal's systems recover from temporary disruptions. Do not repeatedly attempt the same transaction immediately, as this can exacerbate the problem and potentially trigger additional security measures. The next step is checking PayPal's official status page. Visit their status page, which you can usually find on their website or by doing a quick search. This page shows if PayPal is experiencing any known outages or technical issues. If there's a widespread problem affecting many users, you'll need to wait for PayPal to fix it on their end. A stable internet connection is crucial for PayPal transactions to work properly. Ensure you have a strong and reliable connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause PayPal error 1001. Try restarting your modem and router to refresh your network. This simple step often resolves connection issues. Reviewing your PayPal account details is crucial for resolving error 1001. Double-check that your name, address, and payment methods are accurate and up to date. Inconsistencies can sometimes trigger errors. First, check your name. Ensure your full name matches your identification. First, check your address. Verify your mailing address is current. First, check your payment methods. Check linked cards and bank accounts are valid. By ensuring all your account details are correct and current, you can prevent these errors from occurring. Before proceeding with a PayPal transaction, it's crucial to verify that your payment method has adequate funds and is free from any spending restrictions. Common payment methods include credit cards and bank accounts. Ensure whichever method you're using meets the transaction requirements. First, confirm that your payment method contains enough money to cover the transaction amount. Insufficient funds can trigger error 1001. Additionally, check that your payment method is not subject to spending limits set by your financial institution or any temporary restrictions on transactions. If you suspect any issues with limits or restrictions, contact your bank or card issuer directly to verify and resolve any account-related problems. Before sending a payment, always double-check the recipient's PayPal email address or phone number. Even small typos can cause the transaction to fail and trigger error codes like 1001. If the error persists after trying the troubleshooting steps we've covered, it's time to contact PayPal support directly. Before reaching out, gather relevant information including transaction details, the exact error message, and the steps you've already attempted. Always use PayPal's official contact channels through their website or app to ensure security and proper assistance. If you are not satisfied with the initial response from PayPal support, ask to escalate the issue to a supervisor or a higher-level support team. Be polite but firm in your request. For example, you can say, "I would like to speak with a supervisor," or "Please escalate this to a higher support tier." If the PayPal error 1001 continues to occur, consider switching to an alternative payment method. This could involve trying a different credit card, using another bank account, or even switching to a completely different payment platform altogether. Here are some alternative payment methods you can try: a different credit card, another bank account, or switching to a different payment service entirely. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily. VPNs can sometimes interfere with PayPal's security protocols and trigger errors. If you're using the PayPal mobile app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can have bugs that cause errors. Check the App Store or Google Play for updates. Be cautious of phishing emails or messages that impersonate PayPal support. Never share your login credentials or financial information with suspicious sources. Report any suspected phishing attempts to PayPal immediately. PayPal has robust security measures in place to protect users from fraud and unauthorized transactions. Error 1001 can sometimes be triggered by these security protocols if unusual activity is detected. PayPal uses advanced encryption to protect all your data during transmission and storage. This ensures that sensitive information like account details and payment data remains secure from unauthorized access. PayPal employs sophisticated fraud detection systems that use artificial intelligence to analyze transaction patterns in real time. These systems flag unusual activities that might indicate fraudulent behavior. Two-factor authentication requires not just your password, but also a verification code sent to your phone or email. This makes it much harder for unauthorized users to access your account. PayPal continuously monitors account activity, including login locations and transaction patterns. If something seems out of the ordinary, security measures may temporarily restrict access to protect your account. These security measures are designed to keep your money safe, but they can sometimes trigger Error 1001 if they detect activity that appears suspicious, even if it's legitimate. In such cases, verifying your identity may be required. In summary, PayPal Error 1001 is a common issue that can typically be resolved with systematic troubleshooting. Begin with basic steps like clearing your browser cache, verifying your internet connection, and checking PayPal's status page. If these don't work, contact PayPal support promptly with all relevant details. By following this approach, you'll usually be able to resolve the error and complete your transaction successfully in 2026. Remember to stay informed about PayPal updates and maintain proactive account management for the best experience.